वफाकी वजीर खजाना मोहम्मद औरंगजेब का कहना है कि मुल्की मईशत दुरुस्त समत में गामजन है। ज़र मुबादला के ज़खायर जो कभी सिर्फ 2.5 हफ्ते की दरामदाद के लिए काफ़ी थे, अब 2.5 माह की हद तक पहुँच चुके हैं। तरक्की का शुरू होने वाला सफ़र जारी रहेगा।
Over the last 12 to 14 months, we have made good and significant progress, which is being delineated through various indices. Whether it's the reversal of the bane of the country, which have been the twin deficits, both on the fiscal side and on the current account side, we have moved in the right direction in terms of showing surpluses month after month after month. Stability on the currency side, foreign exchange reserves, which had dipped to 2 weeks of import cover, are now at 2.5 months of import cover, and inshallah, if we stay on this trajectory, by the time we are done with this fiscal year, we will be at 3 months of import cover, which will be a good place to be in terms of international benchmarks.